Okay, so you guys just watched the video from Bill Nye about waves and answered the questions. Now you're going to be working today on your waves review questions. So I'm going to start with the directions. Go ahead and put your finger there. Directions. Answer each question using what we've learned throughout the past few weeks. If you're stuck on any question, look at the hints page. So if you scroll all the way to the last page, you'll see a hints page that will have a number and a hint for some of the questions. Question number 1. Look at the diagram below to answer questions 1 and 2. 1. What wave property is being represented by A? Is it amplitude, crest, wavelength, or node? So look at the diagram. Think about A. Remember, I'm going to keep reading through, but you can pause and then play again when you're ready to go on to the next question. Number 2. What wave property is being represented by B? Again, amplitude, crest, wavelength, or node. And if you're doing this on Google Docs, you can just highlight or underline the answer that you're choosing, or bold. Number 3. What are 2 characteristics of all waves? So you're going to be choosing 2 things that are true. All waves transfer energy. All waves move up and down. All waves compress, that means get smaller. All waves move back and forth. Choose 2. Okay, number 4. A student looks at a table and sees that it is white. Mark an X next to each statement that is true. So there could be more than one statement. As many of them that are true, put an X next to it. Blue wavelengths of light are absorbed by the table. Red wavelengths of light are reflected by the table. All colors are reflected by the table, or no colors are reflected by the table. Choose as many that are true. Number 5. The electromagnetic spectrum is electric and magnetic waves. A, that are not detectable, that means it can't be seen by the human eye. B, that can travel through air. C, of very high frequencies. D, with very long wavelengths. So choose 1. Number 6. A student makes 2 waves with the spring, then records graphs of the waves. As he decreases the frequency, what happens to the wavelength of the wave? So respond there. Look at the image on the left. And then what happened to the wave when he decreased the frequency in the image on the right? Number 7. Describe how a sound wave is created when you speak. Remember to use the following words in your answer: vibration, compression, and air particles. So finish the sentence. When I speak. Number 8. A wave has a frequency of 0.2 waves per second and a wavelength of 10 meters per wave. Use the velocity equation V equals frequency times wavelength to calculate